So the first thing you want to do, take your wheel off. It's easiest to just leave the car on the ground for right now, just to get the lug nuts loose. And then when you put a jacket off, you can just jack up the car next. Alright, then simply just, literally you don't even need anything else, just take off the lugs by hand, slide right out. Tire should come right off. Okay. So now that we got the tire off, what you want to do is, there's two bolts in the back right here that hold this the caliper on. So what you want to do is unloosen this, and there's one on the bottom right here, this one, and those are both 12mm, okay? These are out. Next, this caliper should just like kind of wiggle off. You can hit it if you have to. There we go. And then you want to have like a bungee cord. You want to have like a bungee cord to hang this, like off your strut tower or whatever. So, alright, so now that you got this piece off, you want to basically just hang it off the side, get it out of your way. Alright, and the hardest part about this job is going to be these two. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a 17mm right in the back here on the top, and then right on the bottom, there's another 17mm. Now, I basically did the other side, and what happened was, who knows when the last time they were done is, so I was just using basically a breaker bar, and I got them off, but come to find out, this, the caliper, the tread inside of the caliper, I'm going to show you when I take it off, is basically demolished. There's nothing left, so now I have to get a whole new caliper pretty much. So if you guys are doing brakes on an older car, and I would order everything, rotors, pads, and calipers all in one, just to be safe. Alright, so guys, this is going to be your best friend, WD-40. Simply just spray, try to get on the top there, and then get the bottom one here. This is probably not going to do much because these have been on so long, like I told you, they're rusted, but it's better to have some type of lubrication than nothing, so just take these pads out too while you're at it. Look at all that rust, holy shit. Gotta love old cars, guys. You know, I may say I'm not gonna buy a new car, but guess what? You're gonna deal with this bullshit. Look at, there's even cracks in this right here, starting to develop. Wow, man. Alright, here comes the fun part. Wow, top one actually came off. Let's see if I can get the bottom now. Bottom's off, guys. You guys can see that. Look at all that crazy rust right there. inch in there. 17 mil, like I said. There they are, guys. 2 17 mils. Another thing is these have the silver anti-seize on them. You guys don't want to use that. You always want to use copper, alright? My buddy, he's a diesel mechanic. And this stuff basically, I don't know if you can see it, but it just turns into dust. So stay away from the silver stuff. Always use copper. Caliper should come right off. Yep. There it is. Wow, tread in there is actually pretty good still. I'm still going to replace it though. And then the rotor, just slide right off. And there you have it, guys. Alright, so guys, before you put your new rotors and pads on, you want to do one more thing, alright? Alright, so guys, make sure you basically clean your whole hub assembly off here. So you want to simply take some brake cleaner and spray all your studs to get all like the shit off of it, like the rust and the residue. Alright, that's done. And then take a nice wired brush like this one here and simply just take off all the debris off the studs here. Alright, and like I said, you want to use some copper anti-seize lubricant and apply them just slightly, gently around all your studs here. And also those two 17 millimeter bolts that I took off the back, you want to put those, you want to put this on those as well, just to be safe, because then next time you take it off, it's going to make life 10 times easier. Alright, and also before you put the rotor on, you want to put some brake grease, brake and caliper grease on. This shit looks nasty, it's like tar. Just simply apply it all around the whole hub here. Be careful about getting any on your studs here, because they will probably make your lug nut come off. So just be careful if you get any in the stud. Just simply just wipe it off or use brake cleaner. Brake cleaner and WD-40 and grease are going to be your best friends for this job, guys. So keep that in note. You know what? I'm starting to think maybe it is time for a new car. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching my video, and I want to thank all my viewers, my subscribers, and I just want to let you know that I appreciate your support.